Welcome back. Again, this is Dr. Zudian Coleman, and we are on our 27 Rules to Success. And welcome to the Red Lipstick Roundtable Talk. And of course, we're getting right into it. So number 17 says that success pays the price. Success pays the price. If you've met any successful person, they have paid their price. And so it's so important to understand that, because you see them in their success and you think it's so easy to do what they've done. But really, they have done a lot of sacrifice, a lot of giving up on certain things, a lot of not being there for family vacations and family events and missing out on the first steps of a child, etc., because they were busy creating success for the future of even that child. And so there is always a price to pay. Success, totally committed. Successful people are totally committed. Like I was saying, excellence comes with commitment. And I know for sure that millionaires spend a lot of their time working long, working hard. They pay the price. The price of success is nothing compared to the cost of failure.
At Coleman, follow now.